Did you know myopic children use twice as much smartphone data each day as compared to non-myopic children? 90% of teenagers and young adults in China were found myopic in 2015. Not only myopia, but other eye conditions may develop due to overuse of mobile, like convergence insufficiency, accommodation insufficiency. Here we have discussed about how you will know that your child is developing myopia or other ocular conditions, and few valuable tips about how you can protect your child's eyes while using mobile phones. With the COVID-19 pandemic, the time on electronic devices dramatically increased in children because of online mode learning and limited outdoor activities. With increasing hours of online classes and game playing with handheld devices might be a problem for them. Study found myopic refractive error was associated with increased smartphone data usage. Children having normal or 6/6 vision consumed an average of 614 MB and spent nearly 4.5 hours on the mobile daily, whereas myopic children consumed an average of 1131 MB and spent nearly 5 hours on the mobile daily. A study indicated that about 60 years ago, only 10 to 20% of Chinese population was myopic, but the percentage reached up to 90% of teenagers and young adults in 2015. Not only myopia, but also other ocular conditions may arise due to prolonged use of mobile phones, like convergence insufficiency, accommodation insufficiency. Now, how to know that your child is developing myopia or other ocular conditions? Rubbing of eyes frequently, upshutting of eyes, tilting head to see any object, watching TV from near, squinting of eyes. Children become more prone to indoor activities. If a child exhibits any of these symptoms and complaints, it is recommended to have their vision checked by an optometrist, and if necessary, a further referral may be made to an ophthalmologist. Here are few tips to keep your children safe while using mobile phone. If it's not possible to stop using mobile, then you should set limits, like 30 minutes per session. Ensuring that your children take rest after every 30 minutes of using mobile. Motivate to look out of the window at a distance objects that are situated more than 6 or 20 feet away. Ensuring sufficient distance for holding the mobile that should not be less than 30 cm. Encourage your child to engage in outdoor activities.